Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Windows 10 failed to play test tone error. When a failed to play test tone appears, it means that there is an issue with your operating system and the sound device of your computer. The error message is a common issue when users tries to test the sound device, but there is no sound output. If you're getting this error, not to worry. There are several troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix this, and it will be discussed in this video. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, restart Windows Audio. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Runbox. At Runbox, type services.sc and press enter. And then at Services window, scroll down and locate Windows Audio Service. Right-click on the service and select Restart from the drop-down menu. Exit Services window and then check if the issue still occurs. Second solution, run SFC scan. Another solution that you can try to fix the issue is to do a system file checker through an elevated command prompt. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command SFC, scan now and press enter. Wait for the scan to complete, don't interrupt it. Next, restart computer. After computer completely reboots, check if issue still occurs. Third solution, run Audio Troubleshooter. Windows built-in Troubleshooter helps identify problems and suggest solutions if problems are found. Try running Troubleshooter to fix failed to play test tone error. To do this, click Start, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security at left pane, then click Troubleshoot at left pane. At right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and locate Playing Audio, then click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Choose which device you want to troubleshoot, then click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions if a fix is needed. Check if issue still occurs. Fourth solution, disable all enhancements. This is another solution claimed by users to have worked in fixing the issue. Try this solution and then check if the issue still occurs. At the search bar located at the lower left, type Control Panel and press Enter. Make sure View by Category is set to either large or small icons, and then double-click Sound to open it. Next, click on your speaker and select Properties tab. At Properties tab, click Advanced tab. Make sure Enable Audio Enhancements option is unchecked. Click Apply to apply changes made. Click OK to exit. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.